Have you ever imagined like turning like a simple text idea into a video?
Oh, yeah.
It'd be amazing, right?
Yeah, that'd be like super cool. Like just write it out and boom, there's your video.
Well, get this. There's this tool that's like making that a reality. We're diving deep into it today. SORA by OpenAI.
It's pretty mind-blowing. What it does is it takes your text prompts and turns them into actual videos.
I know, right? The possibilities are huge. Like imagine you want to visualize a marketing campaign or create some educational content
Oh, yeah.
or even just bring a story to life.
It could be great for that.
SORA could like totally change the game.
Yeah, definitely.
And, our listeners are all about getting to the point. So we're going to walk you through creating a 3-scene video storyboard using this thing.
Sounds good. So first things first, you got to get your hands on SORA, right? Head over to their website and you'll need to pick a subscription plan.
Right. There are two main options. So if you're thinking big, like working on larger projects, there's the GPT Pro plan. That gives you a whopping 10,000 credits. And you can make up to 500 videos with that.
That's a lot of videos.
It is. But if you're just starting out, maybe testing the waters, there's the Plus plan. That's a bit more budget friendly. 1,000 credits. And you can create 50 videos at 480p resolution.
Perfect for dipping your toes in.
Exactly. Figure out what works for you. All right, so you've picked your plan. You're all signed up. Now the fun part begins.
Yeah, the magic starts.
You got to craft your text prompt. This is where you tell SORA what you want to see.
This is key. You got to be super clear and detailed in your prompt. The more information you give it, the better it understands your vision.
Our sources had this great example. It was like a cozy morning at a cafe called Cozy Cafe in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Customers are browsing local artisan products. Can you picture that?
I can totally see it, like the morning light streaming in, the smell of coffee, people checking out the crafts.
Right, and you can get even more specific.
Oh, for sure. You could use tools like ChatGPT to really flesh out the details.
Yeah, like add little things like a cat naps on a chair near the window or something.
Exactly. Get really creative with it.
So you've got your killer prompt. Now let's talk storyboard structure. We're going with a simple 3-scene setup here.
Okay, classic 3-act structure. Love it.
Scene 1, we're setting the stage right. A sunny exterior of the cafe with greenery. Gives us a feel for the location, the vibe.
Nice. Establishing shot.
Then, scene 2, we go inside. The cafe interior showcasing vibrant decor and shelves of artisan products. Now we're seeing the atmosphere. What makes this place special?
I like it. It's building the world.
And finally, scene 3. We get up close and personal. A close-up of a steaming coffee cup with the cafe's branding. A little detail that adds a personal touch.
Yeah, it's all about the details. It's like those small touches that bring it all together.
And for each of those scenes, those little text prompts, SORA generates a video clip. But before you hit render, you can pick your video resolution and aspect ratio, get it just right.
It's amazing how SORA picks up on those nuances in the language to create these visuals. It's not just about keywords, it's like it understands the relationship between the words.
Now, one thing to keep in mind, rendering can take a few moments,
Right.
especially if you're working with complex scenes. So, be patient.
Patience is key.
Yeah, and if it seems to be stuck, just refresh your browser or maybe try a different one. That can sometimes do the trick.
Little troubleshooting tip.
Always helpful.
Now, something important to note is that while you can regenerate those text descriptions, tweak them a bit to fine-tune the output, you can't really go in and edit the video frame by frame. Not yet, at least.
Right, you're guiding the AI with your words, not your editing skills.
Exactly. But once the rendering is done, you'll have those 3 scenes, those video clips ready to go, and that's the foundation of your storyboard.
It's pretty remarkable when you think about it. You're going from a concept in your head to a visual storyboard, and you don't need any fancy video editing skills.
And it's fast. You can test out all sorts of ideas, see how they look and feel without spending hours editing.
So there you have it. SORA makes it easy peasy to create video storyboards. Sign up, write out what you want to see, and let the AI do its thing.
It really makes you wonder how these AI tools are going to change the way we tell stories, the way we create content. I think it's going to be huge.
It's an exciting time to be in this space for sure.
Absolutely.
Like and subscribe to AI TLDR. Want to learn more? Check the link in the description.